Good morning friends, welcome to the next session. And yesterday we have discussed how to estimate numbers. Today we are going to discuss about how to estimate sum or difference or products. So yesterday we have seen to estimate a number to its nearest tens, thousands, hundreds and all. For example, 29 can be estimated to nearest tens 30. So yesterday we were discussing about that. So estimation means simply approximation, a nearest number, a rounding off. So today we are estimating sum. So I will show one question. We have to estimate 5290 and 17986. We have to estimate this sum. So it is very difficult to add these two. First we have to write 17986 plus 5290. It's somewhat difficult. So we are estimating the sum. For that we have to estimate these two numbers. We are estimating these two numbers. First of all, look at the number of digits. Here we have 4 digit. Here we have 5 digit. So take this smaller number as consideration. Here the smaller number is 5290. So consider this number. We have 4 digits. So we have to estimate the both number into thousands. So we have to estimate these two numbers nearest to thousands. For example, 282 plus 32. Here we have a 3-digit number and a 2-digit number. So the smaller number is 2-digit number. So we have to round or we have to estimate to its nearest 10. If it is 3-digit, I have to estimate to its nearest 100. If it is 4-digit, I have to estimate it to nearest 1000. Like that. Here the smaller number is a 4-digit number. So I have to estimate to nearest 1000. So first of all, I have to estimate this to nearest 1000. Therefore 5290 is equal to 500. I can estimate to 500. You have to look for the 100 place which is less than 5. So you have to round to previous 1000. 17,986 I can estimate it to 18,000. So the sum will be 23,000. So this is how we estimate. All of you listen. We are using this symbol instead of equal to sign because this is not equal. This is approximately equal. So this is the symbol for equal and this is the symbol for approximately equal. So you have to use this symbol instead of equal sign. Then 5290 I estimated to 5000. 17,986 I estimated to 18,000. So the sum is equal to. Here we use equal sign because 5000 plus 18,000 is equal to 23,000. That is not approximation, that is an actual value. So this is an approximation. From this step to this step it is an approximation. So we are using this symbol. And from the second step to third step it is not an approximation, it is an accurate value. So you can directly give equal sign. For approximation you have to give this sign. And for the next question, estimate 5673 minus 436. So the first step is what? Look for the smaller number. Look for the smaller number. Here smaller number is 436. So I have to round or I have to estimate to its nearest 100. So for both numbers I have to estimate to nearest 100. So 5673 is approximately equal to 5700. Estimating to 100. Estimating to nearest 100 because we have smaller number 436 which is 3-digit. So we have to round off to nearest 100. 436 can be rounded to 400. So I get difference 5300. You have to subtract 400 from 5700. So we can check 5700 minus 400 is equal to 5300. Now we are going to estimate product. Product means multiplication. So 19 and 78. Here both numbers are two-digit number. So I have to round or I have to estimate to its nearest 10. Both the numbers I have to estimate. So 19 can be estimated to 20. 78 can be estimated to 80 and the product will be 1600. So you have to look the smaller number and according to that you have to set the nearest tens, hundreds, thousands, etc. If the smaller number is 28, you have two digits, so I have to round it to nearest 10. If it is 328, the smallest number, then I have to round it to 100. That's like. Now there are some homeworks. We have to estimate each of the following using general rule. This is our general rule. Look for the smallest number among this pairs and according to that set the nearest number. In the case of this third example, where here we have two numbers, smaller number is 2888, which is a 4-digit number. So I can round it to both the numbers, I can round it to nearest 1000. 4-digit means 1000. In the case of this example, I have to round it to nearest 100 because 3 digits. Make 10 more such examples of addition subtraction. So you have to do this homework. Now look for the second question. In the second question you have to round to nearest 100 as well as nearest tens. All the numbers you have to round to nearest 100 and find the sum and also to nearest tens. One example, 439 plus 334 plus 4370. So first I am doing to nearest 100. 439 I can write it as 400. 334 I can write it as 300. And the third question you have to estimate the product. General rule. So you have to use the general rule which is simple. Look for the number of digits. Here 3-digit number, so I have to round it to 100. Here it is 4-digit, so I have to round it to 1000. Here it is 4-digit and 3-digit, so I have to round it to 100. You have to take the smaller number. Here it is 4-digit and 2-digit, so I have to round it to 10 because 2-digit is smaller. Likewise, you have to complete these notes. Likewise, you have to complete all these homeworks. If you have any doubts in homework, you can contact me and read this. Meera bought 6 notebooks from the market and the cost was 10 per notebook. So here we have one friend, Meera. Meera bought 6 notebook. This is Meera. Okay, this is Meera. Meera bought 6 notebook from the market and the cost was 10 rupees. The cost of a notebook. The cost of a notebook was 10 rupees. and Seema bought 7 notebook. So this is Seema. This is Seema. Seema bought 7 notebook of same type. The same type of notebook she bought. Find the total money. So 6 notebook by Meera and 7 notebook by Seema. So 6 into 10 is equal to 60. 7 into 10 is equal to 70. Then the total rupees is equal to 130. Here first I multiplied 6 and 10. Then 7 into 10 and I added. Or else we can calculate this problem in different way. So it is said that the book is of same type. The book is of same type. So I can add the number of books first. I can add the number of books first. So 6 book by Meera and 7 book by Seema. So a total of 13 books. Then same type book have same price. So I multiply it into 10. So 13 into 10 is equal to 130. So both way are correct. So both way are correct. Therefore I can write first 6 plus 7 into 130. So in this second type of calculation, first we do adding. First we added 6 plus 7 and then multiplied by 10 and then multiplied by 10. And in the second step we multiplied 10 first. 6 into 10, 7 into 10. Thus we find answer. Both the answers are correct. So this both sides are correct. So I can write 6 plus 7 into 10 as 6 into 10 plus 7 into 10. So this is how we are expanding brackets. We are expanding brackets means we are removing brackets. This 10 rupees is for both 6 and 7. So I need to give this 10 to both 6 and 7. So I give 10 to 6 and I give 10 to 7. For example, 7 into 8 plus 3. 7 into 8 plus 3 I can write it as 7 into 8 plus this plus 7 into 3. Both are same. And look at this cluster of questions we have to express using brackets. So the first question, 4 multiplied by the sum of 9 and 2. 4 multiplied by the sum of 9 and 2. Don't write 4 multiplied by 9 and 2. This is wrong, because if you write like this, we will multiply 9 and 4 first. This is wrong. So you have to use bracket 4 multiplied by 9 and 2. Divide the difference of 18 and 6 by 4. So we have to divide the difference of 18 and 6 by 4. So this is how we are expressing using brackets. 4 divided by 3 times the sum of 3 and 2. 4 divided by 3 times the sum of 3 and 2. Here 4 is divided by 3 times. 3 times means 3 into the sum of 3 and 2. So this is how we are expressing using brackets. So the answers are given here. So we are now expanding brackets. And first question is 7 into 109. 7 into 109. So please be listen. This 109 I can write it as 100 plus 9. This 109 I can write it as 100 plus 9. 100 plus 9 is equal to 109. So I can write it as 100 plus 9, which is equal to. Now I can give this 7 to both 100 and this 9. 7 to 100 and 7 to 9. So 7 into 100 is equal to 700. 7 into 9 is equal to what? 63. So 763 is the answer. So no need of multiplying these two numbers. You can use brackets to solve this. So 763 is the answer. I will show another example. Suppose 28 into 102. So it is very difficult to multiply 28 into 102. So I am splitting this 102 into 100 plus 2. 100 plus 2 is equal to 102. Now I am giving this 28 to both this 100 and 2. 28 into 100 plus 28 into 2. 28 into 100 is equal to what? 28 into 2. A smaller calculation. 56. So the sum will be 2800 plus 56 is equal to 2856. So this is the sum. Now I am multiplying 102 into 103. So I have to split both the terms because both the terms are nearly equal to 100. So 102 I can split it as 102 and 103 I can split it as 103. 100 plus 3. So we splitted both the terms. 102 or 102 I split it into 100 plus 2. 103 I split it into 100 plus 3. Now I have to expand this bracket. So please be listen. If we have one term, we can substitute to both the terms. Here we have two terms. For one term, we can give one term to each other. Here we have two terms, so I have to give each term to each numbers. 100 into 100. 100 into 100. First I have to write 100 into 100 plus 100 into 3. 100 into 3 plus then this 2 into 100. 2 into 100 plus 2 into 3. 2 into 3. So 100 into 100 is equal to 10,000. 100 into 3 is equal to 300. 2 into 100 is equal to 200. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Now adding 300 plus 200 is equal to 500. 500 plus 6 is equal to 506. 10,000 plus 506 is equal to 10,506. Also I am going to do 17 into 109. So I have to split both the term. 17 is equal to 10 plus 7. 109 is equal to 100 plus 9. So I have to multiply both the number. So I have to give each number. I have to multiply each number from this bracket to this bracket. So first 10 into 100. 10 into 100 plus 10 into 9. 10 into 9 plus 7 into 100. 7 into 100 plus 7 into 9. 7 into 9. So 10 into 100 is equal to 1000. 10 into 9 is equal to 90. 7 into 100 is equal to 700. And 7 into 9 is equal to 63. Now I am going to add these four times. 1000, 90, 700, 63. So the sum will be 1853. So this is the answer. Now as a homework, solve 105 into 103. Solve this and send me through WhatsApp. You have also one more homework. One is this and other is estimating some more difference and product. That homework also. So you have to write this homework, send me through WhatsApp, and thank you. We will meet in the next class.